everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is the first video for this year and for a very long time, and I'm doing something really spontaneous and you're gonna see what it is soon. Well, you're gonna see in the title. I'm cutting my hair without a plan, just a scissor and no comb, just this. So if you want to see me kind of destroying my hair, but also it was bad before, so it really doesn't matter, I just changed it, then keep watching. Because I don't have a comb, but I have a scissor and I have this thing. So I'm gonna try to cut my hair in some way, because right now I don't have a haircut, like at all. I think I'm gonna cut this first. Should I do it like this maybe? Yeah, probably. Cutting these polysongerna. I'm not sure what to call them and what you call them in English. But and maybe I should just try and cut my hair, let my ear out a little bit. I'm so scared to cut my. I'm not sure. This will probably not be so good. I think it's gonna be okay. Even shorter to make my ear come out. I'm not sure why I don't know why I want that though. Well, too late now. Let's see. Okay, here I have no idea. I have a mirror in behind me, but it's very far away. And I don't even see my hair. Okay, this is not gonna be so good. But I'm not gonna stop. Maybe I have to wait for my partner to help me with the back, or I can do it in the bathroom probably, because we have better mirrors. I have no idea what I just cut off. Okay, but I'm gonna do the front on this side as well, and then probably okay. Okay, now I cut my bangs. That was not part of the plan, but now I feel like I look like I did before, and I don't want. I should totally do this with a comb. I don't know why I can't wait, because, well, I know because that's how I am, but still stupid. And this is so not good now. I have hair all over. Perfect. Don't do this, please. Don't do this to yourselves. If you care about your hair, this is not what you do. This is not what one does when one cares about their hair. I hate the bangs. Why did I cut the bang? I really want it to grow, but at least it will grow out more healthy now. If I go to a hairdresser, they will be like, what the fuck happened here? Cool. I have no idea what I just cut off there. It's probably gonna be real bad. If I have cut short bangs, maybe I can just cut it super short. No, can't wait for my bangs to grow. I don't know why I did this. But maybe I should just, but I don't have a machine. Maybe if I could just shave a little bit. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm back. Something. I wonder how happy I will be about this tomorrow, or just later today. Probably not so happy. I gotta Frankenstein-sized face. Oh. But I mean, it can be cool if you do. I have a huge face, but not really sure what it does to. I think it might have to do this. Maybe I have to go further. Maybe not. Maybe that's just messed up. Okay, I'm afraid I will go like crazy. I'm not sure how much hair. It's not that much hair I took out, right? No. I mean, I could have had it like this before. With this fluff, it's not a great combination. So for some reason, this is what I did. I'm not exactly sure what I thought this would do to my look, like in terms of looking good, but now I have to do it on this side as well, of course, because otherwise I don't know. Now I'm gonna leave it there because I guess I could try and shave my hair, but I mean, this is kind of stupid because I have no idea what I'm doing. So I should probably just wait for my boyfriend to get home because this was a bad idea. Okay, I'm gonna try to fix my hair a little bit to see if I can get pretty at all now with this hair. I mean, I'm pretty sure it didn't make me look any better, at least. But I'm gonna get some stuff to style it and then we'll see. So this is the result from the front, and I look exactly like I did like a couple of years ago when I had this. I was actually just like a year ago or something when I last had this kind of haircut, and I'm kind of over it, but this is what happened. And so, but I still feel very like myself, and it's not gonna look so pointy when it's not wet. And also in the back, I'm gonna get some help with the machine later because you can see it's like longer here, and I want to have like, you know, like a, what do you call it? Like a pot bowl, you know? And when you just put a bowl around your hair and cut it, that's kind of the look. So probably I'm gonna have to go with a machine, just take this all out. But because I'm saving out my hair, but this needs to get longer before I can save this, because otherwise I will have like a hockey hair. And I don't think I will look so good in hockey hair, so I'm gonna keep it grow here, and then I can leave this as well.